to bring black and white photos to life with the colorize feature on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, open Gallery app. And then open the black and white photo you like to colorize. Swipe up from the bottom of the photo. And then tap the colorize icon to let the AI predict the appropriate colors for different elements in the selected photo. And then add those colors to them. Once done, here you can see the difference between before and after you colorize the photo. If you are satisfied with the result, tap Save icon at the bottom of the screen to save the change and apply the color to the selected photo. Given to the function, you can use this feature to add color to monochrome sketch or drawing for a more vibrant appearance, or when you want to create artistic effect or enhance the visual appeal of a photo. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.